Together, growing in faith, changing communities.
Igama likayise menendodana nomoya ocwebileyo. I'd like us today to have a continuation sibuke Luke chapter 15 that we had looked into the other day. Now I want us to look in Luke chapter 15, and there's a beautiful continuation in Funa Siyenze. We will start reading from verse 20. Luke chapter 15, we will start reading from verse 20. But just for the background, we are leading and doing the prodigal son. In verse 17, he comes into his senses. And in verse 19, he says, Father, I have sinned against you. He says, I will go up and say, Father, I have sinned against you, and I no longer deserve to be called your son, but treat me as your servant. And there's something absolutely interesting. He acknowledges that what he has done is wrong. And he says, treat me as a servant, not even as a son, but as long as you can welcome me back, as long as uzokwazi ungamukela ngibuyele ekhaya. And maybe in that verse 19, what I love the most is the acknowledgement. I will go and I will tell him, I'm sorry. And I think siyayidinga leyo nto ey'mpilweni zethu. Kwesinye isikhathi ziningi izinto ezonakalayo just because I'm not willing to apologize, just because I'm not willing to acknowledge ukuthi ngonile, ngiyaxolisa, engikwenzile akukuhle. And kwesinye isikhathi I think kubalekile njengomuntu ukuba umuntu okwazi ukubona iphutha lakhe. Lokho kumina kuvama ukuthi lo muntu usekhulile, lo muntu usehlakaniphile. Umuntu othi mebona ukuthi khona la ageje khona, khona la aphambuke khona, kubo yena angazalinde ukutshelwa, kodwa mebona ukuthi hayi khona isimo esingasahambi kahle la, ebese eyibheka. Uyabona ngesintu khona lento emnandi ukuthi umuntu akayinuke amakhwapha. Mawukuthi khona iphunga engilizwayo endlini, angike ngihlale ngithi okay kunephunga likhona, what the first thing that I must do, angike ngiyinuke mina ukuthi akuminani lo onaleli phunga, oletha leli phunga elibi endlini, because kungalimaza abantu abaningi. Ngesingisi they put it so beautiful ukuthi one rotten potato can spoil the whole bag. And sometimes one wrong thing, one wrong habit, one wrong attitude can destroy izinto eziningi ngami, because abantu mhlambe sebeyongazi ukuthi lowo ave hlaza, lowo ave engadelela, lowo ave engalaleli, lowo ave enenhlamba, and the list can go on and on and on. So kwesinye isikhathi kubalekile. I like what he does in verse 19. He says, I will go to my father and I will say, Father, I have sinned against you and I've sinned against heaven. I no longer deserve to be called your son. It is an acknowledgement of guilt. Yabona ma ukuthi uyangena endlini uhlele endlini, uyarealize ukuthi kuyanunka, angiyibheke mina. Ma ukuthi abantu engihlala nabo ngiyabona ukuthi ayi engathi sekhona la singasazwani khona, sekhona la singatholelani khona ngemimoya, sihoshelana, sekhona la ekubonakala engathi izinto ayisekho right. Angiyibuke mina oqala, angiyibuke mina ukuthi mhlawumbe ikhona into engiyenzile, mhlawumbe ikhona into esidala ukuthi abantu ba react ngalendlela sebe react ngayo kumina, because before everything seemed to be very well and everything was going so smooth. Now sekwenze njani, imina noseshintsha iphunga lasendlini. Ngiyayithanda mina leyo nkonzo because it doesn't give me the privilege yokublame abanye abantu, but it gives me the opportunity of self-introspect, ukuthi ake ngiyibheke mina, athiwe iqaqa liziza ukunuka, kodwa ake ngiyibheke mina ukuthi kwenzakalani ekhaya, emsebenzini, ngima relationships, kuzo zonke izinto. Yikephi mina la engihluleke khona, engigeje khona. Mhlambe ke uma kungekho ke, then ke I've got all the liberty to say, having looked at this, ngicela na ungibhekise mhlambe khona la empilweni yami nawe futhi bengatholi hayi mntaka baba ikephi ke pho inkinga, kunukaphi, asilungiseni. Then verse 20 is very important as well. Then he rose and he came to his father, but while he was still a long distance off, his father saw him and felt compassion and ran and embraced him and kissed him. This is so rich. Verse 20, I wish we can look at it over and over and over again. Then he made a decision. and he acted upon that decision. Baningi abantu abanama wishes, abanama New Year's resolutions, abanama birthdays resolutions. But how many of us act upon that? Maningi ama plans ahleli phansi, maybe abhaliwe, ayalenga odongeni, aframiwe, amanye aseyingqondweni zethu. And they're all good and well, but unless I act upon it, it remains nothing but a dream. It remains nothing but a plan. It remains nothing but an inactive idea. And so ngiyayithanda lento eyenziwa umfana. He arose and he went. Yabona kufanele simcela uNkulunkulu sikhulekele ukuthi whatever we plan, let it become a reality. So many of us are willing to pray for fruition, for blessings. Ukuthi inkosi sengathi lo nyaka ungaba isuccess. Sengathi leli sonto lingaba impumelelo. Sengathi izinto zami zingaphumelela zibe zinhle. And that's all good and well. But then we struggle with the sin, maybe not a sin necessarily, but with a habit, with a vice of procrastination. We procrastinate. Asiyenzi into ngesikhathi. Asiyenzi into as we should. And so you realize ukuthi there's so much I want to do. There's so much you can do. Kodwa bese sishaba ile nto ukuthi as act upon it. And so the difference between successful people and us is that some of us that refuse to act upon our ideas, it doesn't mean asihlakaniphile. It doesn't mean we don't have in our arms as an element to be successful. We do. Mhlambe inkinga kwesinye isikhathi ukuthi asithandi, asifuni, asizami ukwenza izinto. And so ngiyayithanda leya ku verse 20. He arose and he went to his father. He actioned his plan. He actioned his wishes. He actioned his idea. And asimceleni uNkulunkulu, Nkosi, okutshalile empilweni yami, give me the strength to action it. Lokho sukubekile enhlizweni yami, give me the strength ukuba ngikwazi ukukwenza. Khona ngizokwazi ukuqhubekela phambili. Khona ngizokwazi ukuba successful. Khona ngizokwazi ukuba nami yilento ofuna ngibe iyona. Maningi abantu abanama ideas kodwa they remain on paper. And kwesinye isikhathi uma into yami ingasenzeki, akuve kulula ukublame abantu. Akuve kulula ukuthi hayi mina ngithakathiwe. Akuve kulula ukuthi hayi mina mhlambe njoba izinto zami zingenzeki ingoba naku ku wrong endaweni ukuthi nokuthi. Maybe kwesinye isikhathi it has nothing to do with an external factor. It has everything to do with how am I acting upon it. Now there's also something engithandayo. While he arises and he goes to his father, but while he was still a distance, while he was still far off, while esakude, ngithanda le, his father saw him and he felt compassion. He ran and he embraced him. There are a few words here. The father saw him. The father ran. The father had compassion and embraced him. 4 important verbs. He saw, he noticed them. Now, in my mind, ubaba uhlele endlini. And lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu wayisakude. Wayisakude. Umzali uyayazi ingane yakhe. Umzali uyayazi ingane yakhe. Uyazi right, uyazi ingekho right. Uyazi iqala umdlalo omusha, uyazi ibuyela entweni endala. Umzali uyayazi ingane yakhe. Now what fascinates me, he saw him from a distance. What does this tell me about this father? Well, the first thing that I realized ngalo baba ukuthi mhlambe every day in the morning he waited for his son. Every day in the morning wayibuza abantu ukuthi nike nambona yini, nike namfanisa yini. Kwakuthi makhona mhlambe oqhamukayo from a distance athi ukuma athi ukubhekisisa athi kungenzeka ukuthi uyena yini athi no but ukuhamba kalo kuhlukile kunaloyana athi leza ingubo no akuzona ezakhe. Every day he woke up with a hope to see his son. Every night he went to bed with sadness of not seeing his son. I'm not sure noma uyayizwa lento engishoyo. Every morning he woke up with a hope of seeing his son. Every day he went to bed with sadness of not seeing his son. And this must have taken months or years. I don't know. But every day he woke up with a hope. Uzofika namhlanje. Entambama eseyembedeni engambonanga, there's sadness. Akafikanga uSibani. And how many of us are in that? How many of us go through that every day? And how many of us struggle with certain things every day? The environment engisebenza kuyona, uyawazi ama pressures, uyawazi ama targets, uyazi how toxic it can become. And you realize ukuthi every month you go through the same thing. Every week you go through the same thing. Every day you go through the same thing. Yabona ithandwa zami kunabantu lana who are having it hard. Abanye bethu mhlambe sinayi ability yokuphefumula, sinayi ability yokubaleka, sinayi ability yokushintsha izinto, sinayi ability yokuba somewhere else. Khona abanye abantu who probably don't have that, who are stuck. Bayawudinga lo msebenzi, kodwa they are stuck. Khona abanye bayiqala lemsebenzi bengaguli bengenalutho, kodwa in order for them to cope, they are on medication now. In order for them to cope, they must go through therapy now. Because impilo abaphila ngaphansi kwabo iyabacindezela. I-environment abaphila ngaphansi kwayo iyabalimaza. Lo baba woke up every morning with hope of seeing his son. He went to bed every night with sadness of not seeing his son. Kunabanye abantu bashadile, abanye bakuma relationships, and they're being drained. They see it, they know it, but they don't know how to walk away. Khona abanye abazalwa emndenini enjalo, mhlambe kubona they thought it was normal. They thought vele impilo injalo. They thought vele faneke batreatwe ngaleyo ndlela, until they were introduced to something different, to something new, until they grew up and realized, but this is not how you're supposed to relate to me, to treat me. This is not how we're supposed to be doing things. This is not normal. This is not human. This is not okay. But every day they dread waking up in the morning. Khona abanye abantu ithandwa zami who go through so much empilweni. They will rather stay indoors, close themselves in their rooms, than to spend time with people, with family. Just as khona abantu who will rather be busy with work than ubuyela emakhaya. Just as kukhona abantu who dread going to work, even though they know they need to, but if kuya ngabo ngabe basebenzele emakhaya, or ngabe basebenza somewhere else, different department, banga report komunye umuntu. he woke up every day with hope. He went to bed with sadness. Khona abantu abathwala amajoka ansuku zonke. Ayikho into ebaphumuzayo. Abakwazi ukuphuma empedeni. Amakhethini abo avaliwe every day. Abanye babo abasadli. Abanye babo have become antisocial. But they were not born like that. Kwesinye isikhathi ithandwa zami inkinga ziyamshintsha umuntu. Inkinga ziyamazi umnikaziyo. Akakwazi ukuzibalekela ngoba ihlezi zimlandela, zimmemeza, zimbamba, zimcindezela. The first thing for me, he saw his son. Wambona. And the second word, he had compassion on him. Kunabantu who've gone through so much empilweni, and yet they still love. Who've gone through so much empilweni, and yet they still forgive. Who've gone through so much empilweni, and yet they still accept. Kunabantu who've gone through so much empilweni, and they still are willing to sit with us at the table. He had compassion. Wamzwela, wamdabukela. Wathi nangu umntanami, nanti ithambo lamathambam, nangu inhliziyo yami ebimlangazelela. Ngahlala kwesinye isikhathi ngijule ngalo baba ukuthi kungenzeka yini ukuthi zonke insuku wayebabalisele egcekeni ngazi washonapho sibanibani. Ngenzeka yini ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi mabemphakela ukudla athi animeni kancane ningaqedi ukudla ebhodweni mayifika usibanibani uzodlani. Kubhlungu kuba umzali. Kubhlungu kuba umzali. Athi shiyelani usibanibani bonke endlini bathi akezi lo muntu. To a point la nawe usuyasaba ukubacela ukuthi abamshiyele. Uyasaba ukubatshela ukuthi abalisebenzisi ikamero lakhe. Uyasaba ukubatshela ukuthi abayiqoqa izinto zakhe akabuyi. Uyasaba nawe kodwa enhlizweni yakho kunalento ethi kodwa mayifika umntanami uzodlani. Uthi uyadla nawe ukudla uyibuza ukuthi ngazi ingane yami kulamakhaza angaka yembethe yini. Thandwa zami ngathi lento isishaya abantwana bethu bengahlali nathi. Abantwana bethu beseyintabeni. Abantwana bethu beseyinkingeni emshadweni yabo. Njengomzali uyayibuza ukuthi njoba ke isimo sinje namhlanje ngazi ulalile yini. Njengoba ke usibanibani kuthiwa ubuyile ngazi uright yini. Njengoba ke bephuma ngemoto begijima kangaka ngoba usediniwe lona ngazi bazofika yini ekhaya kuzokwenzakalani. And sometimes it can also be experienced by ingane zethu. Yabona ithandwa zami kunento that we sometimes don't talk about, but it's a reality. The trauma ingane zethu go through because of us as couples who are constantly fighting with each other. And I can imagine ukuthi it is just exaggerated in their minds. And it creates a panic. It creates a instability. And ingane are very quick to see a pattern. Once umama no baba baqala ukukhuluma kanje, umama noma ubaba washayo yedwa, omunye wa scream, ngiyazi sekuzofika abantu manje bezobakhuza, ngiyazi sekuzolimala izinto, ngiyazi ukuthi umama usezoba nehleli ibhlungu nelibovu, ongiyazi ukuthi sebezophamselana ikhala, ngiyazi kuzofika amaphoyisa. And sometimes you must go to the household, to the kids whose parents experience domestic violence. And listen to those kids tell their story. And you realize how much harm as adults we cause to our kids. Ngani zethu ziyazi mekaphuza kuzokwenzeka kanje, mekwavakasha usibanibani kuzokwenzeka kanje. They can predict. They know the pattern. Why? It has happened so many times ukuthi it is entrenched in their minds. Iyangithinta lento kalo baba. He has compassion. Uyamzwela umntanakhe. Embona from a distance, akakazi lutho ngaye, kodwa uyabona ukuthi ithambo lami leliyana. Uyabona ukuthi umntanami loyana. And uyasukuma. The third word lithi izwi kaNkulunkulu, he ran towards him. Angimazi usengakanani. Mesayibhungu usangagijima. Kodwa mesekhula khulile ugijima kwakhe ukutotoba, kodwa uyagijima uyoyibheka ingane yakho ukuthi ayibo uyena and wonke umuntu uthi sekwenze njani kulo baba. I don't know ukuthi wayenzani endlini, kodwa I know whatever he was doing, he dropped it and he ran to his son. Do you have someone like that okujabulelayo mawubuya? Do you have someone like that who's waiting for you back at home? Do you have someone like that who's excited ukukubona? One of the most beautiful experiences ukuthi mubuya uvele emsebenzini, the first person who meets you ingane zakho ejabulayo. Usebuyile ubaba, usebuyile umama. Bakujabulele beze kuwena, bakuphathisa isikhwama, bakclearisha izinto, ikhona nenye into ofike nayo abafuna sikuphathele yona. That's one of the most beautiful, warming heart to experience, to realize someone has been waiting on you. Someone has been missing you. Someone has been thinking about you. Someone's life will never be the same without you. How loving are we in our families? Yabona ithandwa zami kwesinye isikhathi abanye bethu are scared of loving. Khona eminye imizi, they love each other, make no mistake, but they're scared of expressing it. They're scared of talking about it. Khona eminye imizi, they are not affectionate. So abantwana are not hugged. Abantwana are not told, I love you. Abantwana are not shown this compassion. Not just abantwana, family members as well. And I think it is healthy to express love. I think it is healthy to express emotion. If ungikwazi ukudisciplina makhona into wrong eyenzakalayo ngithethe, I must also be able to appreciate makhona into enhle eyenzakalayo ngibonge. If ngithetha ngimemeze, indlu yonke yazi ukuthi ngidiniweke namhlanje, phumela nasemnyango ngiyoneka ingubo kodwa ngiyathetha nomakhelwane baze bezwe ukuthi hayibo nangenza ukuthi nokuthi, the same must apply uma ngijabule. Angikubonge ngokuhle oyikona. Angikubonge ngokuhle okwenzayo. Angikubonge ngokuhle ozivezela kona. Angike ngikujabulele and give the same amount of appreciation nombani ongenayo ngiye ngimxoxela ukuthi hey waze wangenzela isimango sibanibani waze wamuhla uNkulunkulu ngosibanibani lokhu sibanibani usenzeni lokhu sibanibani utholeni lokhu empilweni kaSibanibani kwenzakalani angike ngikucelebrate just as I will do mangithi kwazi wangicika uSibanibani yazi nje mfethu sekwenze ukuthi nokuthi if in my nature ngilo muntu othi mangicasule wena ngithatha ucingo ngifonela uSibanibani akuthi mawungijabulisile ngithatha ucingo ngimfonele ngithi wazi wamuhla uSibanibani ngicela ungibongise ngicela umbono umtshela ukuthi wazi wayenza into engiyithandayo. Thandwa zami, if life is difficult for us as abazali, how much more for abantwana? If I want to be appreciated, to be respected, how much more for abantwana? Nabo they deserve that. Naba sibafundiseni leyo nto. We are all born loving. You must look at ingane encane, and I'm always fascinated esontweni whenever I come. Ingane encane naturally they will just come to me, hug me. Naturally, it doesn't matter. Ngabe ngidlula ngendlela, they will leave whatever they're doing, they will come and just hug me. And that's one of the most beautiful, warming experience. And that's what should happen, because we are creating a generation of love. Studies have been made on children, of rearing of children, of raising children. And those to whom much affection and love has been made, how successful they become empilweni, how confident they become empilweni, because they are assured, they are known ukuthi ngiyathandwa la ekhaya. And so I always believe we must strike a balance. Don't overcompensate. I'm not a man who believes in that. Don't overcompensate. Fingane wrong and akwaziwe lokho ukuthi angikufuna ukuthi ungakwenzi and siyaxoxa ngakho, and if you are at the level of reasoning I will reason it with you. But ukuthi angikufuna ungakwenzi, and it must be clear. But if there's so much good you do, it must be clear ukuthi ngiyayithanda lento oyenzayo, and I'm celebrating you because of what you do, because of who you are. He saw him, he had compassion, and he ran. Do you have someone who does that for you? And the fourth word, he embraced him. Wamanga, wamqabula, wamsondeza again. Now, lo mfana has been gone for some time. Mhlamba kashefile, mhlamba kagezile. We know ukuthi ugqoka amagxaba. Kodwa ubaba kanendaba. One of the worst painful experience I've ever seen was umzali eyemgaqweni ingane yakhe isishonile. Gcwele igazi. Waya kuyona umzali wayibamba ingane yakhe. Wakhala. But kwakusaya ingane yakhe. Whether kubantu isigebengu kodwa kusaya ingane yakhe. Whether kubantu iusikhotheni kodwa kusaya ingane yakhe. Yabona kunabantu abahlala emgaqweni sibabiza ngamagama. Abangahlali nemizi yakubo, abangahlali nemndeni yakubo. Kodwa kwesinye isikhathi siyakhohlwa ukuthi izingane zamakhosikazi lezi. Yes, sikakhuluma ngabo kabi. Bangasicasula benza izinto esingafuni. Kodwa nabo bavela emakhaya. Nabo zingane zamakhosikazi. Akho silima sindebende kwabo. Akho muntu ongafunwa nayikati lakubo. Nabo they belong somewhere. Nabo they belong to someone. Ngiyamthanda lo mfana ekushayekeni kwakhe konke. Uthi kodwa ngizobuyela ekhaya. Ngiyakwazi mina ukubuyela ekhaya. Mhlawumbe umbuzo engifisa ukuba ngiwubuza ukuthi likephi ikhaya lakho? And ikhaya can be a place. Ikhaya can be a home. Ikhaya can be a person. Uyabona khona abantu empilweni ukukhuluma nabo keselapha. Khona abantu empilweni their voice heals us. Uyamazi umuntu othi ukhuluma naye urealize ukuthi wazi wangilapha usibanibani. Uyamazi umuntu othi ukhuluma nabo uthi your voice soothes something within me. Your voice does something for me. Khona le experience le omunye umuntu iphimbo lakhe likhumbuza someone else. I-mannerism yakhe ikhumbuza someone else. And you love being around this person because this person reminds you of someone. Mhlawumbe umunye uthola ukuthi usashona kodwa usibanibani kunento ayiyona ngaye engithi mangihleli naye kube khona izinto ezilaphekayo kumina. He decides ngizobuyela ekhaya. Sendo sami uyayidinga indawo zokwazi ukubalekela kuyona. And sometimes it can be a mental thing. It can be something that you withdraw into mentally. Abanye abantu do that with music. Afana idlalela umculo and banike leso sikhathi bekuleyo mode yokulalela umculo. Banike leso sikhathi bekuleyo mode yokudlala iPlayStation or ama games. Banike leso sikhathi bekuleyo mode yokuthatha iwalk. Banike leso sikhathi bekuleyo mode yokupheka. Banike leso sikhathi yokuthatha imode yokuyocambalala empedeni, yokuhlala bodwa. Because by the time they come back, they will be okay. And kubalekile ukuba sibanike leso sikhathi. Go spend your time. Go and have your you time. Maybe it's time uthi bafethu ngicela is time konke ngisafuna ukuyibheka oqobeni lami. And maybe you don't even need to explain to us. You don't need to explain to anyone. There must just be a code mangithi ngisacela is time konke ngisafuna ukuyilungisa. I must just respect you enough ukuthi kulungile sibanibani. How much time do you think you will need? Kulungileke, just take that time ngizokubona musubuyile. But if you need more, let me know. Angikushiyi on your own, but I'm here as a support should you need a lifeline ngikhona. Ngiyamthanda mina uNkulunkulu ngalezi mangaliso azivezela zona. Ngiyamthanda uNkulunkulu ngalomusa awenzayo. He had somewhere to go. He had someone waiting for him. Then there's something that happens in verse 21. And the son said to him, Father, I have sinned against you and against heaven. I no longer am worthy to be called your son. But the father said to his servants, Bring quickly the best robe and put it on him, and put a ring on his hand and shoes on his feet. I'm not sure, Noma, you noticed. I am no longer worthy to be called your son. He dropped it. He didn't say, treat me as a servant. Why? Because he has experienced much love coming back home. Uyabona vele ukuthi ubaba akangilindele njengesigqila. Ubaba akangidinelwe efuna ukungilahla. But ubaba still looks at me and he says, you are my son. And he says, but I don't deserve it. Athi ubaba kulungile, but you are my son. Ziningi izinto that we don't deserve, but God gives to us. Nkosi ungangiphi ngoba nakho ngifanele, kodwa ngiphe ngokomusa wakho. That's the word for today. Nkosi ungangiphi ngoba ngifanele kodwa ngiphe ngokomusa wakho. Nkosi ungangiphi ngoba ngifanele kodwa ngiphe ngokomusa wakho. Nkosi ungangiphi ngoba ngifanele kodwa ngiphe ngokomusa wakho. That's the word for today. That's something I would like us to reflect on. Nkosi ungangiphi ngoba ngifanele kodwa ngiphe ngokomusa wakho. Don't give me just because I've earned it, but give it to me as per your grace. Don't give it to me just because I've earned it, but give it to me as per your grace. Nkosi ungangiphi ngoba ngifanele kodwa ngiphe ngokomusa wakho. Ungangiphi ngoba ngifanele, ngiphe ngokomusa wakho. Don't give it to me just because I've earned it. No. It is your grace. Konke kumusa. Sho njalo mfana, which I no longer deserve to be called your son. There's so much that you could do, but I don't deserve this. Now, it touches me, lo baba ngezinto azenzayo. Lo baba does something that no other father would have expected him to do. He says to them, bring the best robe. Khumuleni lena igqokile. Mnikezeni something else, something better. Akakwazi ukuhlala endlini yami kodwa angambathi into ezomsiza. Angifuni abantu mabefika bakubone as a prodigal son. Angifuni abantu mabefika bakudabukele. Angifuni abantu mabefika bakhulume ngosizi lwakho. Angifuni abantu mabefika babone ukuhlupheka kwakho. Yabona khona abantu empilweni abasizayo. Eniyabathanda labo bantu. Basiza buthule. Basiza bengaxoxeli umuntu. Makhona into esiyidingayo siyakubona and abaphumi batshela abantu ukuthi we nimbona nje usibani bani ngimenzela ukuthi nimbona nje usibani bani ngamenzela ukuthi nimbona. No. Uthi give him the best robe. Khona lento uNkulunkulu ayenzayo umembathisa amandla amasha. And siyayidinga leyo nto ithandwa sami. Siyayidinga lento ukuthi Nkosi ngicela unginika amandla amasha. Ngicela ungembathise ingubo entsha. Give me the new identity. Ngicela wena Nkosi ukuba sesengikwenze konke leli gcabe engilifakile selingisinde kaningi. Athi uNkulunkulu ukhuleka mntanami ngizokwembathisa okusha. And the second thing he does, he said fakani indandatho esandleni sakhe. He reinstates him as a son. Put a ring on his finger. He has a covenant with his son once again. Don't forget, he lost it when he walked away. But the father said, no, I want that ring. Phela ineyakhe ring wadayisa ngayo sehluphekile. Athi baba, no son of mine will be in this house without a ring. And he says, mletheleni enye ring. Now it says something to me. That means ubaba wayakha enye ring wayibeka. What in case ebuya. And one of those cases I've experienced. Umzala azashona umntana wakhe ngambonanga kodwa shuya umyalezo ukuthi mayibuya usibanibana nomnikeza lokuthi. Mayibuya usibanibana nomenzela ukuthi ayaleza umzali ukuthi usibanibana makuthiwa wabuya sengashona anomenzela ukuthi ngoba usayingane yami. Besimswela uNkulunkulu alethe umusa kuthina. Besimswela uNkulunkulu athinta inhliziyo zethu uma sibuyela kuyena. Athi put a ring on his finger. He does something so beautiful. Put a ring on his finger. Then he says put a shoes on his feet. It's a new beginning. It's a new start. It's a new era. Angifuni uhlupheke. Angifuni uxakeke. Ngikhona. Ngegama likaYise benendodana nomoya ocwebileyo. Amen.